I'm Sienna Bowles. Welcome to my channel, Learning Builds Life. Today we are going to talk about how, in studying nature, scientists form and test hypotheses. So, let's begin. First of all, we have to know what is science. Science is an approach of knowing the natural world. An approach of knowing the natural world. And the heart of science is inquiry. Inquiry. And what is inquiry? Inquiry is the search of an explanation for a specific natural phenomenon. The search of an explanation for a natural phenomenon. Natural phenomenon. But how do we do this scientific inquiry? Scientific inquiry. Well, there is no hard and fast rules, or there are no guidelines to follow to get a successful scientific inquiry, or no specific formula. It's just challenges, adventures, and obviously luck. Challenges, adventures, and obviously luck. But along with these things, we need planning, creativity, logic, and persistence to overcome setbacks. And persistence to overcome setbacks. And the scientific inquiry is done in specific steps, which are, first, we have to explore and we have to make observations. The first step of scientific inquiry is exploration and observation. From exploration and from the observations we make, we can form testable explanations, or in other words, hypotheses. Testable explanations or hypotheses and we also test these testable explanations or hypotheses. That means forming and testing of hypotheses. Testing. Now I will talk about the first step of scientific inquiry, which is exploration and observation. But before that, you may take a look at the board. Moving on to exploration and observation. Exploration and observation. Exploration and observation. Biology, like all other sciences, has developed from exploration and observation. Biology. And we have developed biology using certain tools like microscopes, precision thermometers, high-speed cameras, etc., to get precise observations. We have used all of these types of tools and probably many more to make precise observations. And from these precise observations, we get explanations. Like, for example, from many observations, we have now shaped our understanding of cell structure and also databases of genome sequences. Of different species. And obviously, biologists rely heavily on scientific literature as well. Scientific literature. These were all of our published contributions from fellow scientists, which have now helped us to apply those publications in existing knowledge. Means we can take the information from past studies, which now allow us to develop on the existing knowledge. So that is the use of scientific literature. Now you may take a look at the board and see how exploration and observation occurs. Hope you enjoyed this episode, and please like, share, and subscribe my channel, and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.